Welcome to WellyBox. With WellyBox, you can gather all of your financial documents in one place automatically. Just connect your email inbox and we'll take care of the rest. To start, click on the Connect to Gmail or Office 365 button. Choose the inbox you'd like to connect to. Review and approve the requested permissions, and we're good to go. Let's see the onboarding process. As you can see, the first step starts right away. Your inbox is scanned, and our service automatically finds financial documents in your mailbox. Next, you can also upload some documents stored locally on your computer. Finally, you can review the documents fetched from your inbox and uploaded manually, and send them to your bookkeeper. Here you can see some documents already processed by the system, including the GoDaddy receipt we've uploaded manually. To complete the process when it's time to file your taxes, you can export all the fetched and uploaded documents as an Excel, CSV, or zip file to be sent to your bookkeeper. So join WellyBox today. Just go to www.wellybox.com, connect your inbox, and take your business to the next level.
Since the dawn of time, humans have been chasing after invoices and expenses documents.
Not again! Sue! I'm off to search for invoices and receipts! Ugh! I hate searching! Searching for paperwork! Done.
Are you kidding? Use WellyBox.
Welly, what?
WellyBox is an app that fully automates your business expense management. WellyBox checks your emails and messages for all your invoices and receipts, then either uploads them to your accounting software or sends them directly to your accountant for you.
That makes it so easy!
That's why they call it WellyBox, sweetheart. For more information, visit wellybox.com.
No sweat!
Welcome to WellyBox, your automatic expense report. To start, just connect your mailbox. WellyBox automatically connects all financial documents from your mailbox and makes them conveniently accessible. Just received a new receipt? It will automatically appear in your expenses dashboard. Got a paper receipt? We've got you covered. Just snap it using our WhatsApp chatbot. We will take care of the rest. Go to your expenses dashboard. Your old paper receipt is already there. You can add as many mailboxes as you'd like. After collecting your financial documents, WellyBox extracts all the data from them for your expense report. You can also view or download them. Last step is sending your expenses someplace useful. You can easily send the expense report to your accountant or bookkeeper. You can also sync the documents to your QuickBooks or Dropbox accounts. With more than a dozen integrations, WellyBox saves you even more time and manual data entry. We are waiting for you at www.wellybox.com. Start your free trial today.